Hello smoothie lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you're craving something tropical, refreshing and supercharged with nutrients, you're in for a treat today. We're making the Pineapple Express Smoothie. It's like a mini vacation in a glass. Before we jump into blending, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all our delicious adventures. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this tropical delight. 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, perfect for that icy texture and rich in vitamin C. 1 banana sliced. It adds natural sweetness and creaminess. And 1/2 cup of coconut milk for that tropical flavor and smooth texture. 1/2 cup of orange juice adds a zesty punch. 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt for a boost of protein. A handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but it's great for your health. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Ice cubes to keep it cool and refreshing. Let's put all these wonderful ingredients into our blender. Start with the spinach and liquids for easier blending, then add the frozen pineapple, banana, and top it off with chia seeds and ice. While we wait for our smoothie to blend, let's talk about why smoothies are a fantastic addition to your diet. They're not just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that can help boost your energy, improve your skin health, and keep you satisfied. And there we have it, our Pineapple Express Smoothie. Look at that vibrant color and creamy texture. Let's give it a taste. That's tropical heaven. You can really taste the pineapple and coconut, and it's incredibly refreshing. If you love this recipe, you'll be excited to know that smoothies can also be a great tool for weight management. Speaking of which, if you're looking to kickstart your weight loss journey, you might want to check out the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. It's designed to help you shed pounds quickly by replacing some of your meals with nutritious smoothies, just like this one. This program is a fantastic way to get those nutrients in and cut down on calories without feeling deprived. If you're interested, I've left a link to the Smoothie Diet in the description below. Check it out to see how it can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Thanks for blending up some fun with us today. Don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts, and share this video with all your smoothie-loving friends. Subscribe for more tasty recipes and tips.